Hi there. This is Mitchell Rabin of A Better World, the producer and host of A Better World Radio and TV. And today we're taking a moment to speak with one of my dearest friends and colleagues, Dr. Bruce Lipton, cellular biologist at large, who will be in New York City for the first time in almost 10 years at the Church of the Village, and A Better World and New Realities are hosting him here. We're going to have a very special time. And just to give you a wee little taste of what that's going to be like, I've asked Bruce to come on, take a minute or two, and talk about a little bit, a little taste, if you will, of what's to come on August 3rd here in New York City. Dr. Bruce Lipton, great to see you, my friend.
Mitchell, I'm so happy to be with you. And coming back to New York is going to be great for me. I haven't been out there for a while. The world is changing, and I'm so excited because we are facing an evolution process right now. And if you understand this evolution process, everything is going just fine, although it looks kind of crazy, doesn't it? But that's
Yes,
because
it does.
civilization is facing, as NASA has acknowledged, an irreversible collapse of our civilization within the next 20 years. Basically, reason? It takes 1.6 planets to provide the materials for today's civilization. Well, we don't have an extra 0.6
Wow.
planet. So it says you can't do this anymore. And there's a better way. And it has to do with knowing who we are and how powerful we really are, because we've been programmed to be victims when we are absolutely the creators. So I am so anxious to be there. You know why? The science is so amazing. Things we didn't know are changing the world we're living in right now.
I love it, Bruce. I love it. That's a glimpse behind the curtain of what we'll be dealing with together. And we'll learn a little arithmetic as well. 1.6 planets, and we have one. Okay. I think I got the message. I got the message.
Simple
Wonderful.
mathematics.
Exactly. Great. So we'll be learning science, spirituality, and mathematics all together.
Yes, you will. And it's going to be a great show. It's fun and science for the people. That's what it's all
Exactly.
about.
Oh, what a great phrase. Science for the people. And you are the guy to bring that forward. So, Bruce, we're so looking forward to having you in New York City again. This is a premier event, everyone. This hasn't happened in almost 10 years. So, please make a point of going to our website, abetterworld.net, under events, and get the tickets. There's an early bird special, and get them while you can, while they're available. So, with that, Bruce Lipton, thank you so much. And I will see you soon.
I know it. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to our community. We have a wonderful community there.
It's really true. We have a lot of people who love you, and they really want to see you in person.
Thank you.
That's what's happening. Great. See you soon.